Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the next topic, which is creating a blog post using Windows Live Writer. Okay, in the previous topics, in the previous videos, we have studied about how we can set up the Windows Live Writer, how we can download it, how we can install that, and after that, after installing, we have learned how we can configure the Windows Live Writer. Okay, now we will see after the configuration is complete how we can use the interface for creating the blog post using the Windows Live Writer. Okay, so the interface of Windows Live Writer is very simple. It consists of three tabs, which are Home, Insert, and Blog Account. So Home, Insert, and Blog Account are the three types of tabs. Okay, keep this in mind because I have also given assignment question also. So you can write this in your answer. Okay. Now, like other Microsoft Office products like Microsoft Word, Office, Excel, Microsoft Word, Excel, etc., Windows Live Writers also inherit some common features. Okay. So as all of you know, there are many common features in Excel and Word. If you have seen the two software, almost everybody must have seen this in class 9th also. Okay, you have worked on that. You see many features are common in both the softwares. Okay, so like this, what happens in Windows Live Writer also, there are many common features. Okay, those features which are common with other Microsoft Office products. Okay, like the home tab consists of some features that help to use a clipboard. Okay, choosing which block to post to. Okay, so you can also the home tab consists of some features using which you can also use the clipboard. Okay, you can using clipboard, what we can do, we can easily copy and post something into the blog. You can choose which block to post to. Okay, as well as whether you want to post a draft or publish the post. Okay, what does it mean? That you can choose whatever which blog you want to post to. Like if you are having many blogs, you can choose from the list of the blogs, or from the number of blogs that you are having. You can choose to whatever blog you want to post to. You will be able to post to only that blog. Okay, you can choose from the blogs that you are having. If you are having multiple blogs, you can also choose one of the blogs from the multiple blogs which you have. Okay, as well as whether you want to post a draft or publish the post. Okay, post a draft means for that your draft is not complete, your blog is not complete. Okay, your post is not complete. So what happen, you are just posting a draft. Okay, when you post will complete, then you can also publish the post to your blog also. Okay, this option also, this facility is also given by the Windows Live Writer. Okay, if you need to make more corrections and more updations in your post, then you can also post a draft also. Or if your post is complete, then you can also publish it to the web also, on the blog interface, on the blogger also. Okay, on the blog hosting site also, you can publish your blog. Okay, over the internet. It also has the obvious options like font, paragraph, HTML, heading styles, adding hyperlinks, pictures, videos, and basic editing options. Okay, different options. The other options which are available are like for setting the fonts, paragraphs, HTML heading styles. Okay, adding hyperlinks also is possible, and then pictures, videos, and other basic editing options are also available. So you can also add hyperlinks, you can add pictures, videos, and also you can also have the basic editing options which are available in most of the editors. Okay, these are the various options and facilities which are provided in the Windows Live Writer. Okay, now this is the Windows Live Writer interface. We can see what is there in the in the title bar. What is there? Different types of quick access tools. Quick access toolbar is present on the right, on the left hand side corner of the title bar. You can see. Okay, at the extreme left hand corner, what is there? This quick access toolbar is there. So this is a common feature which is there in other products also. Even other products, you can see that you can have the quick access toolbar on the on the title bar also. Okay, similarly, what is there? Many menu bar item tab names are also there. The three tabs which I have told you, which are home, insert, and blog account. These are the three tabs on the interface. Okay, then title bar we have seen. Then different formatting tools are also given here. For inserting different types of objects, three options are given, like hyperlink, pictures, and video. If I zoom it, you can see what are these three options: hyperlink, pictures, and videos. Okay, then for editing and spelling, we have different options as shown here. Okay, so this is the interface. And then again, we have many clipboard tools also at the left hand side. Okay, different clipboard tools for copying and pasting the files are also, copying and pasting the content is also there. Okay, so this is a basic interface. Different tools are there. Okay, this is the working area where you can post, you can edit your, this is the content area where you can edit your content also. Okay, okay, so now we will now start the blogging process. Okay, how we will start the blogging process? The first step will be we will start by entering the blog post title and some text. Okay, the first step for starting to create a blog is, first of all, you have to enter the blog post title. So you can see here at the top of the content area, what is there? It is written enter a post title, where message is given, you type here for your post title. Okay, so this is the place, this is the box where you have to enter your blog post title. Example, you can also enter any title which you want. Like for example, here we have typed rural agriculture in India, which is the title, which is example which has been followed in your book. Okay, then we will discuss the three modes of the Windows Live Writer editor. The three modes which the Windows Live Writer editor is having are edit, preview, and source. Okay, this is one question which I have given in the assignment also. Okay, from here the answer of your assignment question is, I have given the assignment question as what are the three modes, or discuss the three modes of the Windows Live Writer editor. Okay, so here is the answer of that. The three modes are edit, preview, and source. You don't just have to write the names, you have to give the description also. Okay, so the one blank description is given here. That's the same thing you can write in your answer also. So your assignment, in your assignment answer, you can describe them also, like the description which is given here. That same description you can write in your assignment also. Okay, so in what is the description of the edit mode? In the edit mode, we can write our blog in the WYSIWYG mode. WYSIWYG mode means what you see is what you get. Okay, edit mode means, WYSIWYG mode means what? How the way you write, the way you type, enter your blog in the editor, the same way you will see it when you publish your blog to the, when you publish your post to the actual blog. Okay, so there is no difference in the view of the editor mode and the actual blog after publishing. Okay, that is why we say that in the edit mode we can write our blog in the WYSIWYG mode. WYSIWYG mode means what? The blog will look exactly the same way after publishing as it is looking in the edit mode. Okay, now in the preview mode, the second mode is the preview mode. What you can do in that? We can see that what the post will look like on our blog. Okay, so in the preview mode we can see that after we publish the blog, how our blog will look like on the, how our post will look like on the blog itself. Okay, so before actually publishing, we can see, we will be able to know how our post will look like after we publish that to the blog. Okay, then the third is the source mode. Okay, so what happens in the source mode? In the source mode is the HTML source code version of your post. So what happens, whatever is the post, your post is having the content type. Okay, your post is in the type of content, typed content. But what happens in the source mode, your post will have, your post will be converted into the HTML source code. Okay, what happens in the source mode? Your content which is previously in the your content which is previously in the normal mode, it will be converted to the HTML source code version. So HTML source code version means what? In the form of a HTML program. Okay, the various content which you have typed, the title, then the headings and the content, paragraph, everything will be converted into the HTML code. Okay, that is known as the HTML source code version of your post. Okay, so these are the three modes of your. So in the source mode, you can also edit the source code of your post. You can also edit the source code or the HTML code of your post also. Okay, so that you can modify that. You can also modify that. You can also correct that as per to apply any settings, to apply any modifications as per the HTML code. That you can do so in the source mode. The source mode lets you edit the source code, HTML source code of your post. Okay, if you wanted to modify because what happens actually when your code is posted to the blog will be there on the website only. Okay, so what will happen on the blog? Actually, what settings will be? It will be taking care. What settings will enable it to be shown on the blog? The HTML source code will be present on the blog, will be acting on the blog, and it will enable the blog to be shown properly on your web page also, on the blog also. Why? Because the blog is hosted on the website, so every website is composed of HTML code only. Okay, that is why when you post our blog on the website, when you publish our post on the blog, on the actual blog on the website, then this HTML source code will enable the blog post to be viewed, to be displayed clearly on the browser. Okay, so that HTML source code also could be edited. It could also be modified by using the source mode. Okay, so these are the three modes which I think I've explained them to you. All of you should understand that. Okay, so now once we have completed our post title, then what we will do? We will click on return to move down to the writing area. Okay, we have to click on return, and what will happen when you click on return? You will move down to the writing area. Okay, now the paragraph icon in the HTML styles will be highlighted. Okay, paragraph icon you can see the HTML in the HTML styles. What is there? The paragraph icon will be highlighted. Okay, why? Because we have to now enter our text in the paragraph mode. Okay, we are now going to enter the post. We are now going to create the post in the paragraph mode, because that we have chosen from the previous settings only. If you remember in the previous video also, what we had seen, we had chosen paragraph from the different settings. Okay, we had chosen paragraph from the different types of content here. Okay, you can see here what we had chosen. We had chosen here paragraph. Okay, in the okay, don't worry, in the that was there in the in your session number 5. Okay, that while choosing the different types of content, what we had chosen paragraph there. Okay, the same thing will be followed here also. Okay, because we are creating our blog in the form of a paragraph. So what we will do, actually, we will, when we go on to the when we move on to the writing area, what will happen in the writing area, we have to create the content. So what will happen, because we are creating the content in the paragraph form, so what will happen, the paragraph icon in the HTML styles will be highlighted, because now we are going to create the content in the paragraph form. Okay, because this is the form which we have chosen while we were configuring our online blog. Okay, in the previous session, while we had seen how we can create an online blog, how can we apply the settings, then we had seen that we had chosen the option of the paragraph item in the different, from the list of the different items which could be contained in the blog. We had chosen the paragraph there. Okay, if you can remember, you can go back to the session 5 and you can see in your video also. Okay, that is why here also the paragraph icon will be highlighted, because we are going to enter the content in the paragraph mode. Okay, you will notice that the post screen is named with the post title rural agriculture in India. This title we have entered previously. So what will happen, the post screen will be named with the post title rural agriculture in India. Okay, now what we will do, we'll type the blog content which you want to post. Okay, using the font section, what we will do, we will apply the formattings to the formatting to the text. Okay, format the text as shown in the figure 1.74. Okay, in the figure 1.74, what is done, these different formatting tools can be used for formatting your text. Okay, like, see, the different formatting tools are there, like applying the bold style, applying italicized, applying underline. Okay, or striking through. Okay, or subscript, superscript. All these different types of formatting can be applied by using the different font options in the font section. Okay, now, like MS Word, you can click on the insert menu to insert media objects. So you have, all of us have used MS Word, and we have seen that in MS Word, what happens, using the insert menu, we can also insert different types of media objects in a file. Okay, like picture, video, map, everything we can include in the file. Similarly, here also in Windows Live Writer, while creating a blog, while typing the blog content, what we can do, you can use the insert. We can click on the insert menu to insert the different media objects like pictures, video, map, hyperlink, etc. All these things could be inserted in our blog content, in our post content. Okay, also you can apply HTML style to the blog content. HTML style can also be applied to the blog content. Okay, then what you will do, you will click at the beginning of the first paragraph. Okay, you will click at the beginning of the first paragraph. Okay, and then what you will do, clicking on the picture icon from the insert area of the ribbon produces, now what we want to do, we want to insert a picture here. Okay, we want to insert the picture at the beginning of the first paragraph. Okay, so what we will do, for that we have to click on the picture icon from the insert area. See, in the insert area, what is there, the picture icon is given over here. Okay, it is not very clear, but you can see what is there. You can see in the middle what is there in the insert ribbon. What is there, first of all, hyperlink button is there, then picture, then videos button is there. So in the middle, picture button is there, so you have to click on the picture button here. Okay, then when you click on the picture icon, then what will happen, when you click on the picture icon from the insert area of the ribbon, it produces a drop down list of choices. What will happen, a drop down list of choices will appear, and what is there in the drop down list, these different choices are there, these three choices will be there. What three choices are there, either you can insert your picture from your computer, from the web. Okay, or what you can do, you can create an online album. Okay, or what you can do, this online album will be stored in your SkyDrive. SkyDrive means the cloud storage. Okay, SkyDrive is a form of cloud storage, where if you choose if you choose to create an online album, then your album will be stored on the cloud storage in the SkyDrive. Okay, and third option is to add an online album. Okay, add an online album means what, you have already stored that online album in the cloud storage on SkyDrive. Okay, it is already stored on the cloud storage in SkyDrive, and you only have to access that from the cloud storage which is available in the SkyDrive. Okay, so that from there you can add an online album. Okay, these are three choices which you will get when you click on the picture icon. Okay, now explore after choosing any of your options, what you will do, like for example, if you are choosing the first option, then what you will do, you will then explore the folder where the picture is. Okay, because the picture will be in some folder on a computer only. Okay, then you will explore the folder, will go to that folder, and then what you will do, you will select the picture and then click on the open button. Like we have been doing this. This is a very simple step. Whenever you want to open, whenever you want to select any picture, then what you do, you go on the file explorer button. What will happen when you click on the button, then what will happen, your file explorer will open, where you will go on the folder where your picture is, then you will choose, you will select the picture, and you will click on the open button. The same process which you follow in every software. This is the process. It is not a new process. Okay, you have done this process for inserting or for selecting images in PowerPoint as well as Word also. Okay, the same process is being followed in almost every software. Okay, what we do, we use the, when we click on the button, it opens the file explorer. In the file explorer, then we go to the specific folder where the picture is stored. Then what will happen, we select the picture and we click on the open button. So as soon as we click on the open button, then the picture will be selected, and it will be inserted in the place where we want to insert that. Okay, then what we will do, using the format menu, what we can do, we can align the picture and its margin as shown in the figure here. So in the figure here, what we can do, we can align the picture also. Okay, and its margin also you can set up. Okay, so you can also align the picture, you can also set the margin also, you can also align the margin as per your choice. Okay, as per your need. Okay, now what is there, after this, using home, after the picture has been aligned, its border has been aligned, then what you can do, using home and insert tab, you can do many things like other MS Office applications. So there, after that, what is left, using home and insert tab, you can also do you can also perform many other insertions of media objects also. You can also perform many other formatting tools also. You can also use many formatting tools also present in the home tab. Okay, so you can do many things which you can like you do in other softwares like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, and so on. Similarly, here also, using the home and insert tab, you can do many things like other MS Office applications. After designing the blog, it is now time to set up the blog account. So now what we have done in this section, in this video, in this topic, we have studied how we can design our blog. Okay, how we can format the blog, how we can set up the blog, how we can insert image into the blog. Okay, now after that, what we will do, we will now set up the blog account. Okay, so in the next video, we will start with the topic which will be handling your blog account. So we will end this video here only. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you, students.